traffic signals fail and intersections become kinetic traps of steel and panic. Though millions of people will reach for a bag they packed months or years earlier, believing it represents safety. Most of those bags will fail them, not because of bad intentions, but because of misunderstood priorities, flawed assumptions, and a lack of systems thinking. The greatest danger is not that you forgot something. The greatest danger is that you packed the wrong things and built a fragile strategy around them. A bug-out bag is often treated like a shopping list project. People gather gear from popular recommendations, assemble it into a backpack, and mentally check the preparedness box. But survival under infrastructure collapse is not a gear problem. It is an energy management problem, a hydration problem, a thermoregulation problem, and a decision-making problem under stress. The bag is merely a portable life support extension designed to bridge the gap between stable shelter and uncertain terrain. If it does not reflect that function, it becomes dead weight. Literally, the average untrained adult begins to suffer performance degradation when carrying loads exceeding 20% of body weight over distance. Yet many civilian bug-out bags weigh 35 to 50 pounds. Under stress, caloric burn increases, dehydration accelerates, and musculoskeletal fatigue compounds cognitive errors. The mistake is not packing too little, it is packing without biomechanical realism. There is a persistent misunderstanding that redundancy equals safety. People pack multiple knives, excessive ammunition, 3 different fire-starting systems,